So this is interesting. I've got a box of these Palworld eggs that I've been working on, and here's a verdant egg. Pretty cool. A little bit of bleeding on the top here along these lines, but super critical and stuff like that. This is the basic design of the egg. It's basically a chicken egg, which actually is the same dimensions as a Palworld egg. A little bit of support scarring on the bottom. Trying to work on that to fix that. I think the best one is the dark egg. Just turned out unbelievable. If you look at it, there's 3 in the bottom, 3 in the top, and 3 in the bottom. 6 total, these designs. All different orientations. If you feel over it, it's got a little bit of a... I raised up the edges a little bit on these things. So, dark egg, really nice design here. Matches the pattern of the actual game one. Not sure if this light color, though, is a little bit too light. Maybe you want to darken that up, but it looks okay. This one's kind of cool. Like the common egg, I used a shiny pink filament. It's the right darkness on it. It's perfect. Adds something special with that, I think, even because it's so simple. Let's see what else. Okay, well, we got this one. This one, they fell off when they were printing, so we got to work on that. This is the last one I did, and I really figured out how to do some new techniques in terms of developing these things. So I'm figuring things out. I learned so much in terms of putting a 2D surface onto a 3D surface. And let's see, where's the other one? Oh, yeah. This was the one I just did before that one. Yeah, you can see it's getting better. Like my ability to do this kind of stuff has this forced me to like do things I've never done before in terms of figuring out how to take a 2D sketch and put it onto these curved surfaces. I can't figure out how to get the bottom though smooth here, and it is an egg pattern, but it is a lot of scarring on the bottom, so I'm not quite sure how to fix that because it needs to not fall off the print. I'm using a raft underneath. I want uniform patterning, but let's see what else we got. Oh yeah, the frozen one. The frozen one's really neat. Pretty much came out great. Yeah, just a simple pattern. The hardest in terms of difficulty of creating these. Well, the first one I did was the rock egg. Single pattern all over it, uniform, boom. Obviously, the simple plain one was the first really to get the thing on it. But then this was similar pattern. This was a pattern on top, and then I had the one on the bottom, the top and the bottom. The verdant was actually forced me to learn new techniques. That was the most difficult one in terms of learning new things. And I used the things I learned here to do this one and this one. So right now I'm working on the electric and the dragon. I think those are the 2 that are missing. And once we get all these up here, we'll make a more detailed video on that. So.